Hello everyone, I am Smriti Sharma from CL Public School. As I told you in my video that I would take you to a virtual trip of the 6 temples of Ma Durga. So, are you ready? Yes, our flight is also ready to take off. So, don't be nervous, be ready, be prepared, and here we go. Yes, now we land to Vaishno Devi. Vaishno Devi is undoubtedly one of the most divine and holiest pilgrim spot in India. It is situated in beautiful Jammu and Kashmir, and its popularity is so much that approximately 10 million people visit this shrine every year. The interesting part about the temple is that they have naturally formed rock structures that are called pindis, and this is the way to go to the pindis and have a look of the pindis. So this is the picture. Yes, these are the idols of Ma Durga. These are the idol of pindis, and these pindis represent the 3 different forms of Mahakali, Mahalakshmi and Mahasaraswati. Yes, this temple is situated in Trikuta mountains, and this temple is about 5,200 feet above the sea level. This is the night look of the temple. You can see on your screen. It is so amazing, so beautiful that yes, I want to go to there. Do you want? Yes, I know everyone wants to go and have a look. Now we reach to Naina Devi temple. This is Naina Devi temple, and this is situated in Bilaspur in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, this temple is located at the top hill that overlooks the beautiful and alluring Gobind Sagar lake. These are the inside pictures of Naina Devi, and these are the idol of Ma Naina Devi. Okay students, now there is also a cable car facility. Yes, a cable car facility is also there. You can see in the picture. Yes, this is the cable car facility that will take you to the temple from the base of the hill, and the location of the temple is really scenic one. Yes, the temple is really a scenic one. This is the night view of the temple. As you can see on the screen, it is really very amazing, and so many people from faraway places come to visit to have a look of this beautiful temple. Now we reach to Kamakhya Devi temple. Yes, Kamakhya Devi temple. It is situated in Guwahati at Nilachal Hill. Yes, in Guwahati at Nilachal Hill. And now you can see the inside pictures of this Kamakhya Devi temple. In this temple, Navratri is celebrated with great pomp and joy. Yes, Navratri is celebrated with great pomp and joy here, and it is also said to be one of the oldest temples that has at least 10 deities within the complex. Yes, there are at least 10 deities which are worshipped in the complex. And apart from Navratri and Ambubachi Mela, yes, you heard it right, Ambubachi Mela is also celebrated here with great enthusiasm, with great pomp and joy. These are the pics of the Ambubachi Mela and the Kamakhya Devi. Yes, I know all of you want to go to there, but this time you will have to get satisfaction with the virtual trip. Yes, now we reach to the Dakshineshwar temple. Dakshineshwar temple is situated in Kolkata in West Bengal. As you can see on the screen, it stands on the bank of the beautiful Hooghly river. Yes, you can see on your screen there is the river. This is the Hooghly river, the beautiful Hooghly river, and it is one of the most famous Kali temple, and it houses the deity of Bhavtarani. Yes, the deity of Bhavtarani, who is another form of Ma Kali. Yeah, these are the pictures, these are the idols of Ma Bhavtarani at the Kamakhya temple. Okay, and Dakshineshwar temple. This temple was built by Rani Rashmoni in 1855. Okay, The Dakshineshwar temple was built by Rani Rashmoni in 1855, and the night view, yes, the night view is really very exciting and amazing. Now we fly to the next temple, and that is, yes, Karni Mata temple. The Karni Mata temple is one of the most famous temples of India. Yes, the inside pictures you can see on your screen. Yes, here are the pictures, and you can see the rats in every picture. In this picture also, and here are also there are some rats. Okay, so the popularity of this temple comes from all these rats that you can see in the pictures. Yes, you can see there are so many rats are there. So the temple is said to have 20,000 black rats. These are also called the kabas. Okay, these are also called the kabas. And the next temple is Danteshwari temple. We reached to the Danteshwari temple, and it is situated in Chhattisgarh. Yes, in Chhattisgarh. And this temple gets its name from the fact that Ma Sati's teeth fall at this very spot. The inside picture you can see on your screen. This is the idol of Ma Danteshwari, and this temple is built by the Chalukyas in the 14th century in a place called Dantaveda. Okay, and the best time to visit this temple is during Dashera. So during Dashera you can go to Danteshwari temple and enjoy very much. Now it is not the end. Okay, you can see on your screen it is to be continued. So what is to be continued? It is a surprise from our side. With the second part of this video we will upload at Dashera, and there will be a surprise for you. So till then, goodbye and have a nice day.